2.1, continuing, we now are on 33. 33 says, determine whether the y defines a function of x. If it's y equals 1 over x, for every x there'll be one y. There will not be any way to get 2. So this is a function. It's just isn't defined at 0. 36. We have y equal plus or minus. I don't even have to do any more. Square root of 1 minus 2x. Plus or minus is saying there's 2 y's for every x. So no, this is not a function. We're going to get 2 outcomes from one input. There are some places x's you can't input, but if I can put it in and get the square root, I'm going to get plus or minus 2 answers. Not legal for a function. And then we have 40. In 40 we have y equals 3x minus 1 over x plus 2. If I put an x in, I'm only going to get one answer. If I put a different x in, I'm only going to get one answer. I can't put in -2 because that's division by 0, but that's irrelevant. I will only get one y for every x, and so this is a function. And number 43. 43, now we're supposed to find a whole bunch of things. Let me make a list here. F of 0, f of 1, f of -1, f of negative x, negative f of x, f of x plus 1, f of 2x, and f of x plus h. Okay, and 43 was 3x squared plus 2x minus 4. So if I put 1 into this, 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. That's f of 1. F of 0, I put 0 and I get -4. Because 0 times 3, 0 times 2, gone. If I put in -1, I get -1 squared, which is 1 times 3, 3. -1 times 2 is -2 minus 4. I get 3 minus 6, which is -3. If I put in -x, I get -x times -x is +x times 3 is 3x squared. A -x times 2 is -2x minus 4, and so I get 3x squared minus 2x minus 4. If I take the negative of everything here, so take f of x and take the negative of it, I get -3x squared, -2x, and the negative of -4 is +4. If I put x plus 1 in, I would get 3 times x plus 1 squared plus 2 times x plus 1 minus 4. I have to square this first, so I get x squared plus 2x plus 1 if I FOIL that out. Take that times 3, I get 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. Distribute the 2 and I get plus 2x plus 2 minus 4. Simplifying, I've got 3x squared, 6x and 2x is plus 8x, plus 3 and 2 is 5, minus 4 is plus 1. Let's put in 2x. So I get 2x times 2x is 4x squared, times 3 is 12x squared. 2 times 2x is 4x minus 4. And if I put in x plus h, I'm going to get, let's do that one down here, 3 times x plus h squared plus 2 times x plus h minus 4. X plus h squared is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Just write x plus h times x plus h and FOIL. Then take x times h times h times x, h times h. You get that. And then that's times 3. You have to square before you multiply by the 3. Plus 2x plus 2h minus 4. This becomes 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 2x plus 2h minus 4. And so finally we get 3x squared plus 3h squared plus 6xh plus 2x plus 2h minus 4. None of those terms go together, so I get the whole big mess. But that's what it is. Okay, that was 43, and that was a lot, and I've got to do some more like this, so I'm going to stop this video and start another one.